Washington, D.C.
We're on our way to Fort Lauderdale Airport now with our driver, Marie.
Okay, finally nasa boarding gate na kami. Oh, naiwan ko pa yung microphone. Hi guys! Kasama natin ang si Mami. Ayan. So kasama natin siya for our flight. Ayan, naghanap muna kami ng makakain, no? So, kukumustahan muna bago kami pa. Kasama na natin si Ego yan.
Morning wheelchair customer. Just hang tight and relax. Your group is called.
So we are about to board. We have here Marie. We are about to board. We're just waiting. Oh, meron na naman announcement.
At this time, I'd like to welcome customers with disabilities. Customers with disabilities. Box 5, 28 Washington.
So tama ng pagpapanggap, no? Akala ko pag-init yung kadyaka. So syempre tanggalin ko lang siya. Tama ng pagpapanggap. So we are going to sakay na sa airplane. And eto na, papasok na kami. Nauna si Marie tsaka si Adrian. Takot silang maiwan ng aeroplano. Okay, we're boarding. Bye!
Pull over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, clip the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. As you exit the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. You don't inflate your vest.
At this time, gising na gising ang mga kaluluwa namin kasi we have given meron kaming sumingit meron kaming libreng curls. Ayan. Sila nakalibreng cook sila. Cute. We just landed. Kakarating na namin dito sa Washington and it's so cold. Naramdaman ko na yung lamig. Pumapasok siya sa karamdan. Isa pa.
Wala. Sa morning. Meron. Hindi mo nakikita.
So, damang-dama mo. Isa pa. Oh, lamig. Ikaw nga. So, kakasakay lang natin ngayon sa Uber, we are going to our hotel na. And it's so freezing. Nilalamig na yung spaghetti na big friend. Huwag mo uyugin ka, magkaroon siya. Behave-behavean tayo, diba? Update ka na mamaya pag makarating kami. We just arrived to our hotel. Wala ako naghilik, no?
Oo, naliligo ko nga lang ako. Hilit ka na.
Nabilaukan ako, bullshit talaga. Pilo kasi